Hello guys, welcome back. Recordable here with another video, and we're going to be playing this new Justin Bieber game. It's called Justin Bieber Fly. It's like a Flappy Bird Justin Bieber. And I'm not good at it. It's like, no, that's pistol. Okay, I'm good at it. It's pretty easy. It's like Flappy Bird. It's like what's called don't touch the sparks. See? It's like don't touch the sparks, but just teensy bits. Weirder. Oh damn! I told you I'm not that good. Anyway. Oh, why did I do that? I'm trying to do this. Oh, replay. Oh, dang. So guys, we're also, I'll just show like a new game, like I'm just showing. We're also going to be playing